Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Feeling like some easy weeknight magic that's bursting with flavor? Then look no further than the iconic teriyaki chicken. This Japanese inspired dish is a crowd pleaser for a reason. It's simple to make, ridiculously delicious and perfect for a satisfying meal. We are talking tender, juicy chicken coated in a sweet and savory teriyaki sauce that's irresistibly sticky and oh so good. This recipe is perfect for a beginner cooks and anyone looking for a quick and delicious dinner. I will show you how to get restaurant style char on your chicken and a perfect balance of sweet and savory in the sauce. So grab your apron, let's begin. So first take 350 grams boneless chicken, add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 stock cube, and give this a nice mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and then fry the marinated chicken. Until it gets a nice golden brown color. Then remove the chicken in a separate bowl. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in the same hot pan add 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch chopped ginger and fry this for few seconds. Then add 7 tablespoon light soya sauce, 2 tablespoon light brown sugar, half tablespoon rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons sesame oil and give this a mix. Then prepare the corn flour slurry with 1 tablespoon corn flour and 2 tablespoon water and mix this nicely. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Then add the slurry, mix it and cook it until it is nice and thick paste. Something like this. Cook this for few minutes and then add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix and allow it to boil. Then add the fried chicken and add handful of spring onion green chopped, 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds and mix it until the sauce is nice and thick and chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. Make sure the flame is on medium to low at this stage. Alright friends, there you have it. Our plate of sizzling teriyaki chicken is ready to take the center stage. Look at this beautiful golden brown color and that glistening teriyaki sauce, pure deliciousness. Feel free to experiment with this recipe and add some chopped vegetables to the pan for more colorful dish. You can even serve it with rice, noodles, or even fresh salad for a complete meal. Now I'm curious to hear what are your favorite ways to enjoy this teriyaki chicken. Do comment and let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new upload. So thanks for watching. Bye.